An update on the weather, certainly how things might be affected there in the coming hours and days, but how it might impact our weather as well. Hi, Elise.
Hi there, Karen. Yeah, a lot to watch here, a lot of area to watch too with some potential impact. Certainly, though, looking at Louisiana and even the Texas coast for some big impact, that would stretch all the way back off to around Mississippi and Alabama as well. So we are going to be talking about a large area that could see the impacts from this storm. So as we take a look at the rainfall potential, we are talking about amounts that could be up to a foot of rain in some places by the time all is said and done. I want to show you Marco first. I think a lot of people probably waking up saying, are we done with Marco? The answer is yes. The remnants of Marco out over open water. This storm actually kind of a better situation than what it could have been because it got kind of sheared out with those upper level winds. And with it being out over those waters, it's kind of just fizzling out. But 30-mile-per-hour winds out of that, max sustained winds. It is a post-tropical system now. The last update was at 4 a.m. and that will be the last update for that storm. So not much left of Marco. There's some remnant rain down along the coast, Mississippi, Alabama through Florida, and even some around Louisiana, some heavier downpours there. So as you take a look at that track, keeps it out over the open waters through the day today rather than pulling it farther off to the west into Texas. Now, of course, Laura now takes our full attention as she has 2 days really to strengthen over those warm Gulf waters just to the west of Cuba. In fact, about 85 miles northwest of the western tip of Cuba. Max sustained winds right now, 65 miles per hour. So if about 10-mile-per-hour winds added on to that will give her hurricane status, and that is expected to happen in the next 24 hours. Current movement moving off fairly quickly, west-northwest, 17 miles per hour. As we take a look at that track through the day today, into the day tomorrow, still 1 p.m. tomorrow, out over those open waters. Category 2 storm already, and you can see not yet to land. So we are expecting that landfall right near the Texas-Louisiana border, and it looks like that would be in the overnight hours on Wednesday. Unfortunately, this strengthening into major hurricane status and then pulling off to the east and to the northeast as we make our way to Friday and into Saturday. So with this setup, models have been pretty consistent. That would be the heaviest rain along eastern Texas, but especially into Louisiana. Lower rainfall amounts for us. As we take a look at this, our rainfall potential would be more scattered. The heaviest rain would stretch through Louisiana, through Arkansas, where you could see some amounts up to 10 inches of rainfall. Now, we're waiting on that to happen, of course, later on Wednesday night, so no impact just yet. For today, it's still going to be hot. It is going to be kind of sticky at times, especially this morning. Temperatures getting into the mid-90s, but no rainfall just yet from that system. We'll have to wait for tomorrow where we see those clouds really start to roll in. Scattered showers and storms picking up by midday on Wednesday here. That will carry us on into Wednesday evening as well. And then we'll have some low rain chances as we get into the day on Thursday. The benefit for us, Karen, not quite as hot, low 90s for the next couple of days.